Yeah, started. Okay, so we have come over here
Hmm.
to Developer Studio, right?
Yeah.
So here
Yeah.
you have different options to search your workflow. Since we have saved
Hmm.
our workflow in the database, so we can query our workflow from here. We can give the internal
Hmm.
name for our workflow and we can search.
Okay.
XX demo, right?
Yeah.
Click on OK. So here you can see our workflow.
Yeah.
Notification demo, access demo, and here. And here we have an option called run. So here we need to
Yeah.
run our workflow, right?
Hmm.
So we'll run the workflow. It will ask few values for workflow to be started. So here you can
Hmm.
see on the top, identify the workflow process you are about to launch. Enter any attribute that you need to set and select the submit button to begin processing. Okay, we have
Hmm.
initiated the workflow. Now on giving this item key value,
Hmm.
this is nothing a sequence value. Okay, it should always be unique. So
Mm-hmm.
normally when you create a workflow in item key, we normally give a sequence value. Okay, like suppose it will starts with 10 and increment by 1. So it will be never ending, it will keep on incrementing. So we'll just
Increment.
give one value over here.
Hmm.
Okay, and click on submit button. So it is just, see over here we got a confirmation workflow notification demo has been started. Select the status
Hmm.
monitor tab to view the processing status. Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll go to this status monitor tab to see whether our workflow has started or not. If you click on this, now again you can search your workflow over here by giving a internal name for your workflow. So I'll give
Yeah.
the internal name. It will give the status for my workflow.
Hmm.
Here you can see my workflow has been completed.
Hmm.
See, status is complete.
Completed.
This is my workflow name and this is my sequence value item key, and this is owned by sysadmin user because
Yeah.
sysadmin user has triggered it. So I need to
Hmm.
see the diagram for it, how it went. So
Hmm.
there is something called status diagram.
Yeah.
Click on this and here you can see start date and end date also was there, when the workflow was started and when it got completed.
Yeah.
See here, started and completed. It took around 5 seconds to complete.
Yeah.
Now on this particular screen we get to know here normally applet gets loaded and it's not coming.
You can come.
Here, here normally when we click on the status monitor, right? Here
Hmm.
the blank screen what you can see is like applet gets loaded and here you can
Hmm.
see your workflow getting completed in a diagrammatical way.
Mm-hmm.
So there's some problem in the applet. One second. Maybe first time it will take time. Here status diagram. I have selected this one and going to the status diagram. Okay, over here just it gives the diagram. Okay,
Hmm.
how it went. So, but notification has been sent to the user, operation user. So
Okay.
what we'll do is we'll just log out from here
Hmm.
and we'll go to operations user. Do you have the responsibility? Uh, Workflow administrator, web application. We'll log in
Hmm.
with this, and we have something called notification, right?
Hmm.
So we'll
Hmm.
click on this. Here we have got the notification, right?
Yeah.
Notification. We'll click on this, and here is my message. The notification has been sent successfully. Thanks, Rajesh. Right?
Hmm.
And this notification doesn't require any action. It doesn't require any approval or rejection,
Yeah.
right? It
Yeah.
is just a simple notification.
Yes.
So this is a simple workflow where a notification can be sent from one user to another user. So
Yeah.
from one user means from sysadmin user we have triggered, and it went to operation user. In the
Hmm.
notification we had seen, in the node tab we have a performer, and here we have given the username, right?
Yeah.
So this is the uh, user where the notification is coming. So now what we are going to do is we'll just add few more things in this particular workflow. Like, do you have any doubt in this?
No, no, no. It's clear till now.
It's clear, right? So
Yeah.
now we'll just tweak this workflow. We'll add few more things, right?
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
happening now is like we are just sending a notification to operation user. Now
Hmm.
what we'll do is like we'll be giving an option for approval and rejection. Suppose you
Hmm.
have raised a request, okay, and
Okay.
now you need to, what we'll do is we'll create another workflow. We'll create a leave management system, right?
Hmm.
So we'll
Yeah.
close this. We'll just go and new quick wizard. We'll give the internal name XX leave MGMT, leave management.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we have got this. You can create notification from here as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll
Hmm.
do is we'll just create a notification first.
Hmm.
What you have to do is you have to select this and drag
Yeah.
and click on the screen over here.
Hmm.
So here you will get your notification over here. You can
Hmm.
identify with this symbol
Yeah.
envelope. Okay, so
Yeah.
what we'll do is we'll just give the name. uh, this is my workflow name, and here you can give the internal name for your LV notification, right? So
Hmm.
leave request
Notification.
notification. and here message we have to create. Now what we are going to do is we don't have the message creation option over here, so we'll go to this navigator, and from here only we'll create.
New message. Then again,
XX leave
LV,
message,
MSC.
uh, leave leave
Message.
approval message.
Yeah.
We'll go to body, leave approval. We'll give some right.
Hmm.
We'll give Rajesh. So this is my message, simple message. I'll apply and click on OK. And this is my message. This is my notification. I'll just attach this message, right?
Hmm.
Click on OK. So this is my process. I'll go over here. Okay. So I'll just drag till here. So this flow is fine.
Yeah.
Okay. From here, this leave, either it can be approved or it can be rejected, right? So
Yeah.
this message will go to which user for approval and rejection? Operation.
Yeah.
Now operations was just getting a notification, but no action was there. Now operation user
Yeah.
can either approve
Yeah.
or reject. So for that, we have to go back again to my navigator, and here we have something called lookups type. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we have to create a lookup type for approve and rejection. So first we'll give leave approval internal name, right?
Internal.
Yeah. XX leave approval. Okay. Under this we have to create a lookup code. XX approve and one more will create reject.
Reject. Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this we have created.
Hmm.
So what we have done, we have created first lookup type. Okay, and
Yeah.
under lookup type we have created lookup code,
Up.
approve and
Yeah.
rejection. So this is required for my workflow process. Oops, this is the old one. Yeah. So here, before the process ends, this leave request, either it should be approved or rejected, right?
Yeah.
So we'll
Yeah.
just select this and drag it to end. Oh, no. Oops. And we'll just add, we'll get now when once we release this, we'll get an
Hmm.
option whether it is approve or reject.
Okay.
Oops, it has not come. One second.
And
Okay,
actually, they have to.
we have to associate that lookup also. Here result type is there, right?
Yeah.
So here we have to associate the lookup what we have created. This one, right?
Hmm.
Apply and click on OK. Now just try. Once we release this, we'll get an option approve or reject, right?
Hmm.
If it
Hmm.
approve, it should end, and
Approve.
if it reject, also the process should end, right?
And
Getting?
yeah.
Like if the supervisor rejects your approval, process should end. If he approves
Yeah.
also, the process should end, right?
Yeah.
So again we'll reject. Now we'll choose rejection.
Yeah.
So this also, oops, status diagram I'm not able to see. Just check with the person who had installed it, no?
Hmm. He's in Hyderabad.
Yeah, just ask him why that is not coming, because normally when we click on that, no, applet
Hmm.
gets loaded, and whatever diagram we are seeing, no, if he approves,
Hmm.
then the flow should go to the upside like this. Okay, it
Okay.
should go from here to here and then upside, and it should end. So in the status diagram
Okay.
you'll get to know this flow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and if it is reject, it will go to the bottom flow.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll just save it. We'll select XX workflow already there. What is the name for our workflow?
XX LV MGM
LVMGT.
MGM.
This is our workflow name, right?
Yeah.
We'll save it. Now see, since it is not associated with the, it's not saved in the database, no? Here it is not
Hmm.
coming like this,
Yeah.
right? We'll just go file and save as. First we'll save it locally.
Hmm.
There is some error. Must have a response. Okay, okay,
Attribute
okay,
name
fine.
and result.
Even the message should have the lookup.
Yeah.
What we have done, in notification we have added result type as leave approval lookup, right?
Yeah.
Even in the message also we have something called result.
Result.
We'll
Yeah.
go there and lookup type is there.
Hmm.
So we need to select that, right?
Leave approval. Yeah.
And here you can give some name, some name. Okay, some name is not required. Click OK. Now we'll try to save it. it got saved, right?
Yeah.
Now we'll save it to database. Select database,
Apps.
apps,
Apps.
apps,
With.
this. Saved, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Now what we have to do? Tell me. Our workflow is ready. Now what we
Is
have to
ready.
do?
Yeah. Now we have to go to what we call sysadmin,
Hmm.
and we need to run the
Workflow,
workflow.
right? So
Yeah.
what we'll do is we'll just log in with that user. Where
Hmm.
is your we are going to go to workflow administrator web application, go to developer studio. Here we can search our workflow name. It is there.
Done.
Now we'll just run it. And here, since as I told, item key always needs to be a sequence value and a unique value. If you give
Yeah.
one already we had given before, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
If for the same workflow you are repeating it, then you'll get an error. If for different workflow
Okay.
if you are giving, then it is fine. If you are giving one
Okay.
and try to give a submit, it will work. Okay,
Okay.
but we'll see. Like when second time when we have to run, and if we give item type 1, it will throw an error.
Hmm.
So we have got the confirmation that workflow has been started. So we'll see the status about the workflow. So what do you think? What will be the status of our workflow?
It's pending. It should be.
Should be pending, right? Should not be
Hmm.
completed. So we'll
No.
go to status monitor. We'll search, click on OK, and here you can see status is active.
Hmm.
Means workflow is not completed yet because some
Yeah.
action needs to be performed.
Taken.
Okay, so if we go and click on status diagram, here diagram is not showing. I think it will come with first time, it will take time. This actually should come.
Hmm.
Okay, not a problem. What we'll do is we'll just
Log on.
yeah, we'll just log off and log in with
Operations.
operation user. So we'll have a notification, right?
Yeah.
Workflow
Workflow
administrator
administrator.
web application. Go to
Notification.
notification,
Leave approval.
leave approval. Click on this. Now we have approve and reject, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
So you can approve it or reject it. If you approve it, just click on approve. Workflow gets disappeared from here, right? And now
Hmm.
if you go and see the workflow, whether it is completed or started, well, whether it is active or completed, then we'll get to know. Getting?
Yeah.
So now, like we are assuming that our workflow has ended since action has been taken.
Developer studio.
Oops. Uh, Status monitor will go. We need to see the status, right?
Yeah.
It's complete, right?
Complete. Hmm.
Means workflow has been completed. If we had clicked on status diagram, we could have seen like it has completed. Here
Hmm.
also you can see started at this time and ended is this time, right? So
Yeah.
this is an asynchronous process. Immediate action
Yeah.
cannot be taken. It can, we
Hmm.
don't know like when action needs to be taken. It all depends upon the
Yeah.
user, right? Supervisor,
Hmm.
when he's going to
Yeah.
approve or reject, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now we'll just try to instantiate the workflow once again and we'll
Hmm.
take a reject action, right?
Okay.
So we'll go
Yeah.
to Developer Studio. We'll search with this
Yeah.
workflow again. Click on Go,
Run it.
Run, and we'll give 1 this time. We'll see the error.
Yeah.
Our workflow of type given with the item key 1 already exists. Please enter a different
Yeah.
item key. Okay. So
Hmm.
you need to give a unique value. Give 2. Sequence
Hmm.
value.
Yeah.
Click on Submit. Workflow has been started. Status monitor.
Hmm.
Search
Active.
with the workflow. Click on Go. Active. Item key 2. Right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Now we'll log in with operation user.
Hmm.
Welcome. Go to notification. Leave approval.
Hmm.
Go
Reject.
to leave approval. My message, dear sir, please approve my leave starting from 7 June to 14 June. Thanks, Rajesh. I am rejecting it.
Hmm.
Now, if you see the status monitor from here also you can see, but you can't run the process. Okay, you can't see also from here. You need to log in with sysadmin. The person who has initiated, from that user only you can see it.
Okay.
Sysadmin, and here give a welcome. To workflow web administrator, and here status monitor. Click on Go. It's complete, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So here what we can see, leave request has come to operation user. Operation user
Yeah.
has approved or reject, and it has ended
Yeah.
the process. Okay. When we
Yeah.
approved or reject, it immediately ended the process. Now
Hmm.
we'll add few more things. Okay. Few more thing in the sense like this is my notification for my operation user, right?
Yeah.
He has to approve and reject. So once he
Yeah.
approves and reject, I want to send a notification also to another user.
Okay.
Okay, that
Yeah.
leave has been approved or leave has been rejected. Till now, like
Yeah.
notification is not going, message is not going, right? That leave has
Yes.
been approved or rejected. Just we are taking the action and we are seeing the workflow that it has been approved or it has been rejected. We should
Rejected.
also
Yes.
get a notification also, right? Message, leave has been
Yeah.
approved by your supervisor. Leave has been
Yeah.
rejected by your supervisor, right?
Yes. Hmm.
So for that, what we are going to do is, uh, I'll delete this. delete selection. This also. For that, I need to create 2 more notification.
Yes.
I'll go to navigator.
Leave approve.
Will apply. Okay.
Reject.
1 second. Yeah. Now we need to create message as well, right?
Yeah.
Fine. So
Hmm.
we'll just attach it.
Save it.
Hmm. Here we need to add those notifications here, right?
Yeah.
We'll put here and leave rejection also. Now my flow should be from here to here, right?
Yeah.
So this I need to select as approve, and this If I go and select reject, right? And
Yeah.
from here, I'll end the process. From here, I'll end the process. So
Yeah.
this notification one has been requested, like operation user has the authority of approval and rejection, right? But
Yeah.
notification will go to this user. Will go note. Any other user, one user is there or what? In some other user apart from operations?
Uh,
Mm, this is there, right? 1 second. We'll log in with operation. We'll make active one user.
one user is there actually.
Which user?
But, you can take it Gangadhar.
Oh, Gangadhar. Password?
It's welcome. Same.
We'll just try to use, see the password. Gangadhar. But you don't have those responsibility, right? Will
Yeah.
sysadmin is also system administrator is there. We'll add.
Yeah.
Can you log query your user? Control F7. Add one responsibility, workflow administrator, web application.
Yeah.
Administrator, yeah, that one. Yeah, select that one. Click on OK.
Yeah. Save it.
Yeah, save. Fine.
Yeah. Save.
Now, here in Gangadhar,
Yeah.
we'll go to node, performer, we'll give your username here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try
Yeah.
to save.
Save.
Saved. No errors, right?
No.
Uh, we'll try to save in database as well.
It's apps.
Yeah. Saved, right?
Yeah.
So we'll just trigger it now. We're just running the process.
Yeah.
Give us 3. Submit. Started. Status monitor will search the workflow. It's active, right? So we'll just log out. Go to operation user. Now to operation user it has come, right? Operation or operations? S is 0.
Operations. Yeah.
So now we'll get a notification, right? For approve and reject.
Yes.
We'll give approve, reject. We'll go to notification tab. Leave approval. So we'll select. I will click on approve button.
Yeah.
Now notification has gone. Now what? We need to log in with Gangadhar user, right?
Yes.
To see the notification. Here it came, right? Leaves approved. This is the message. You're getting it?
Yeah, got it.
Similarly, we'll try with rejection also.
We have to click OK or something?
Yeah?
We have to click OK or something?
Like that is just a message. If you click on OK, no, that notification will go.
Okay.
Okay, that will be a closed notification. If you query with closed notification, suppose see. See, this is open notification, right?
Yeah.
If you click on OK, click on this and click on OK, notification will go from here.
Close.
But if you
can find it on closed.
all notification,
Go.
it's there. Status is closed.
Yes.
Fine.
Yeah.
So now we'll just log in sysadmin user and do a welcome. We'll start the process again and we'll see like whether the workflow has completed or not also.
Yeah.
Oh, wrong responsibility.
Obligations.
It's completed, right? 3. Now we'll start one more.
Oh.
Submit. Started. Status monitor. Active. 4 has been active. Now action needs to be taken. Leave approval.
Reject.
Please approve my leave and all. I'll give reject. Gone. Log out. Gangadhar. Notification. Leave rejected. Right? So you are getting the message as leaves rejected. Click on
We
OK.
have reassigning.
Yeah, yeah. Reassign is like you can assign. Suppose your supervisor is not there.
Hmm.
Okay, then you have a provision of reassigning to some other user, so that
Okay.
your leaves request will go to that particular user.
Okay.
Okay, so that is there. So, like, do you have any doubt in this workflow? Like,
No,
whatever
no.
three examples we did, right?
Hmm.
So, this was the simple demo one notification.
Yeah.
Okay,
This was.
like from one user, we are just sending a notification to another user,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Then, what we did,
We leave.
we did a leave management.
Yeah.
This one, leave management
Hmm.
workflow. So from here, what we were doing, initially we didn't have this notification, right?
Notifications. Yeah.
We just had the approve and reject.
Yes.
Operation user was approving and rejecting, and it was ending the process. Now,
Yeah.
before ending the process, notification is going to another user,
Yeah.
right? So now
Yeah.
what we'll do is, instead of sysadmin user, okay, instead of sysadmin user starting the process, we'll try to uh, start it from our backend.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so code is there, right? So we have to create one sequence first. So we'll
Yes.
just create a sequence. Create sequence name xx underscore lv underscore. We'll give workflow underscore sequence. Okay. So it should start with 10 and
And
increment by 1,
one.
right? So we'll just execute this. So our sequence got created. Now we'll just create one anonymous block. Begin. First I'll write and then I'll explain you. Workflow underscore engine dot create process. Then we have something called item type. Hmm, type and item type. So we'll give some name, XX workflow. Some name we have given. Then we have to give item key. So this is important. Item key. That time what we were doing, we were giving some unique value, right?
Unique values. Yeah.
So
So
here what we
basically
have to give?
sequence.
Our sequence value. Got next one. This is the syntax, right? Next one.
Yeah.
Then we have to give the process name. What is the process name?
It's already taken. I guess you can paste it.
Yeah. Scroll up.
Just try to paste because you haven't did any copies after that.
Yeah. So internal name, when we had created it had asked for item type and all, right?
Yeah.
Okay, when we create like this, we get an option of item
Internal
type
name.
name.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the
Yeah.
process name.
Yeah.
So internal name and a display name. So
Yeah.
item type name, what we had given, remember by any chance?
Yeah.
What was that? Uh,
You just copy it. I mean, sorry, you just paste it over there. I'll tell you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
where?
That's the one.
This is our, this name we had given. This is the workflow name, right?
Oh, you're copying with that name only, right?
See, okay, one second. This is the process. Okay,
Hmm.
one second. Leave management workflow. This is the name. This is the item type name. Uh,
Okay.
see,
What
one second.
type name?
Here, when we were going, we had internal name, and this is my
Hmm.
item key. One second. From here, we can't query it. One second. Sysadmin, welcome. Workflow type.
View management.
This is the process name. Item key is this. Workflow type. Uh, okay. Okay. Just one second. Yeah. One second. This actually this item type should be this one. Item
Okay.
type. Process name we have to see. Internal name for the process. How can you see uh, process
Property.
properties?
Process details.
This one. This we have given it, right?
Yeah.
So just give this name, and then uh, one, okay, single quote is missing, and this is create process, and there is another procedure, standard procedure, wf underscore engine dot. Now we have created a process. Now we have to start a process. Oops.
Yeah.
Start process. Now you have to give the item type. We'll copy this. Uh, Instead of next val, we'll give per val.
And
End the process. Right? So
yeah.
sequence is already created, right?
Yeah.
So we'll just execute this. Control enter, right?
Yeah.
PL sequence successfully completed. Now we'll see whether it has been activated or not.
Okay.
This has been logged in with sysadmin user.
Yeah.
Which user is this? Sysadmin only. No?
Sysadmin.
Okay, we'll just query this. See, it has been
Then
started,
yeah.
right? Sequence number 10.
Yeah.
So now same thing. It's just the starting process, and then after that the same. Here we got the activity. Then here we got the message, right?
Mm.
And here you can.
All notifications.
So 4 things we have seen today. So
Mm.
we have triggered it from backend also. So
Yeah.
uh, what I'm thinking, like I'll stop here. Okay.
Yeah.
So I want you to practice like whatever I have done it today, so that
Yeah.
you'll be in the same pace. Okay. So there'll be
Yeah.
few more samples which I'm going to discuss. 4
Mm.
5 samples more are there which I'm going to
Yeah.
discuss. Once
Yeah.
you are clear with this, confident about
Mm.
how to create a
Workflow.
workflow for these scenarios, then like
Yeah.
you can uh, you'll have the more better understanding when we'll go through the other scenarios.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll end this. And any questions you have?
No, actually, regarding this, it's fine. It's good actually.
Huh? You're fine, right?
Regarding class, it's fine. I mean, I'll practice it. If at all I get any doubt, I'll
Yeah.
get back to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
You
uh,
have the you have the samples also created in your uh, workflow. Like
yeah,
if any reference is required, you can have a look and you can do the workflow. Okay.
yeah. And the thing is about ADF actually.
Yeah. Tell me.
Actually, you said you will be leaving to UK. When you will be leaving to UK?
I think it will be August end. We have time.
You have time, okay. So how long it will take to complete it?
Like, see, ADF is not as see workflow and ADF is two different things, right? So
Yeah,
if we
it's different actually. I just
yeah
want to get ADF as well. So I was like, I was like, want to see your thing actually, and I want to just make sure your calendar is free or not at that time. That's the thing actually.
yeah I'll be
Because
available. I'm not taking like I have two more batches, but those batches are going to get over also. So
okay,
if you want ADF, I can start the ADF with you.
okay,
Okay. Saturday,
mm.
Sunday, if we devote 1.5 to 2 hours, 2 hours, if we 1.5 and 2 hours is more than enough. Like for that,
Yeah,
uh, we can like I'll be sharing you all the examples and all, and how it
mm.
is associated with Oracle apps also. I'll be telling you. Same
Yeah,
like whatever workflow and all we are doing it. No?
yeah,
Similarly, we have something called human task in SOA. Okay,
mm.
so there also
Mm.
we have the concept of approval and rejection. So those form and all is built using ADF, and
Okay,
like there are many things like search pages, insert, update, delete pages, and then
mm.
you might have to connect to the Oracle database. So you need to use JDBC connection. So those things,
Yeah,
everything I'll discuss with you. So when are you
okay.
planning to start?
Actually, I'm planning to start after finishing this Oracle Labs thing
Yeah. So I think,
because we can't just
yeah, I think
because
one
we can't
more
just
class workflow is required
mm,
for me, 2 hours, to complete the
mm,
scenarios and all. Okay, this much is
okay,
there only. Okay, few more,
mm,
2, 3 activities are there, which I'll discuss with
mm,
you. Only this much is
yeah,
there in workflow. If you are strong with this,
okay,
fundamentally,
mm,
then if you have been
mm,
given any workflow to design, it will be based
mm,
on this only.
okay,
Okay.
mm.
So this is there. Then
Regarding this
forms
form,
I need to start, right? After that,
yeah, we need to start with forms.
yeah. So that I'll
And
do.
one more thing, actually,
Now,
just clarification.
yeah,
Uh, do we have to be? I mean, at least we should have some fundamental knowledge about OAF to go
yeah,
with
yeah, sure,
ADF.
yeah, sure. See, OF and ADF is two different things. OF is
Hmm.
totally related to Oracle application.
Okay.
Okay, but ADF
Hmm.
you can build pages related to Oracle application as well as it can be standalone as well.
Okay.
I'll be giving you the overview on OF pages also. You have the setups, OF setup.
No, no, no. I don't have to set up. I just want to clarify this thing. Like, we should we have any knowledge about OAF before starting ADF or
No, no,
something?
not required.
Or we can start ADF as well. It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
mandatory that to be at least a little knowledge about OAF.
No, not required. If you want to learn ADF, OF knowledge is not required. It two
Okay,
entire
that's fine.
different thing.
Okay, then it's fine.
Okay. Here
Yeah.
design and all in ADF is more easy as compared to OF.
Hmm. Because
And
even Oracle is stopping its support for OAF, right?
like when Fusion will come into the market, no, after R12, then you need
Hmm.
to all the pages will be built using ADF only.
Okay. So a lot of
Okay.
demand will be there.
Now only so much demand is there. Daily I'm getting 4 or 5 calls for ADF, SOA, Oracle has also it is there. Lot of calls are coming.
Actually, what I was planning is, first of all, I'll learn everything.
Mhm.
I just want to be thorough in something because in Oracle Labs you can't get like you will be like 100% thorough with Oracle Labs because it's completely big. Ocean like kind of thing, right?
Mhm.
So I thought I'll have the base knowledge of Oracle Labs, like at least 1 year of Oracle Labs experience,
Mhm.
and then in this 1 year I'll practice as much as I can in ADF as well.
Yeah. So what we can do is no. Today is 7th, right? 7th,
Yeah,
8th of June.
yeah,
See, Saturday again will start with will be continuing workflow. Okay.
yeah,
By
yeah,
Saturday we'll be able to complete our workflow. And Sunday
yeah,
onwards we are going to start with forms. So
yeah.
maybe 16th next Saturday Sunday what is it? Next Saturday is 15th, no? One second, I'll just check my calendar.
Yeah,
Uh, Next Saturday is
13th and
14th
14th.
and 15th. Okay,
Yeah, 15th.
14th and 15th. And then maybe we can start from 21st if you want.
We can start on 21st. Because
Like
for
see,
form,
see, forms will require 2-3 classes.
yeah,
Okay, 2 2 hours. Okay,
yeah.
so 6 7 hours is enough.
Today is 7. Today is 8.
Today is 8. Today is 8. Then
Yeah,
14th will be completing workflow. Then
yeah.
15th will be form. 16th
Hmm.
also, 15th is form. Then 21st, no?
21st.
21st is
Yeah,
form. Or maybe 22, 3 classes. After that, you can start
yeah.
from 28th June.
28. Yeah.
Fine?
How much time it will take to learn everything in ADF? I mean, can we get thorough in ADF?
Can we get?
Like good knowledge so that I can give interviews kind of things as well very
Yeah,
easily.
yeah, yeah. You can,
Also,
you
how long
can.
it will take for me to get like good with the ADF?
Yeah, this will be like for ADF, like common questions will be there. I'll be
Hmm.
helping you with that. Okay.
Hmm.
So, and also I'll be giving you some examples of my project also, like how we have
Okay.
implemented that. So in the interview also you can say the similar kind of thing.
Hmm.
Okay. So for
Yeah.
ADF, like it's not as vast as Oracle application. So the
Hmm.
duration for this course for ADF is like between 24 to 27 hours.
Hmm.
Okay. So it will be
Yeah.
approximately 1.5 months you can say.
Hmm.
But that we have to Saturday Sunday every Saturday Sunday we have to do it.
We have to sit actually. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll plan it from 28.
Yeah, yeah, fine.
Yeah. After completing this thing, we'll plan straight away with ADF
Yeah, yeah. We'll do that. If any guys like
because
if any of
actually,
your friend interested,
yeah. Even I'll call my friends as well if at all they're interested.
hmm, so we
The thing
can.
is, I just want to, get more focused in my career because I just want to change the company now.
Hmm. Okay.
I haven't changed the company, so I want to change the company. Maybe after getting this knowledge about ADF, because at least we need to get something like I'm not that good with Oracle apps, that's for sure.
Hmm.
It's not like I'm completely good or I'm not at all aware of anything, but still, if we get something, in ADF, if I'm very good in ADF, then it would be a bonus, right? I mean, I can straight away ask for my hike actually.
Yeah, yeah. See, Oracle apps and ADF, if you have this skill set, no, so
Hmm.
that will be a very good profile.
That's why right now I'm getting 6.5 package.